These days, there's all kinds of reasons to buy a pontoon boat. And here's the surprise of the season. Boom! Discover the all-new RFL, or rear-facing lounge lineup, in Lowe's super fun, super sport pontoons. We took one of our most popular premium deck configurations, the rear-facing lounge, and brought it to our best-selling SS lineup. Now you can have rear-facing comfort and style in a full range of models, including 21, 23, and 25 feet. What makes the RFL so special? Take the back seat and find out. Two spacious rear-facing seats contour your guests in complete comfort, while cozy armrests, fence cushions, and stainless steel cup holders indulge their experience. Guests can relax in the sun or watch water sports action from the best seat in the house. The RFL isn't only comfortable, it's practical too, with enormous storage spaces under each seat so you can store all your belongings. Loaded with standard features that highlight comfort, style, and fun, the SS RFL series caters to your lifestyle too. Your crew will appreciate the RFL's convenient cup and storage nooks, new standard vinyl textured flooring, super comfortable front chase lounges, and Bluetooth-enabled stereo with integrated speaker system. At the helm, an attractive console with chrome accents and multi-position helm chair with armrests puts you in complete control. With an incredible design and choices of seating forward or back, the handsome SS RFL models provide choices that no other deck plan can. And with Lowe Pontoons' 50 years of pontoon heritage, you can cruise confidently on a quality new pontoon.